We are talking about hotels today. Checking in, room problems, asking for help.
Here is how this works. Max tells you what happens, then we explain everything. Ready? Let us start.
I arrive in London at 10 p.m. Exhausted. I have been traveling all day. I take a taxi to my hotel. I walk to the front desk. A man is standing there.
Good evening. Checking in?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Name?
Max Johnson. He types on his computer. Then he stops. He looks at me.
I am sorry, sir. I do not see your reservation.
What? I booked it 2 weeks ago. I have the confirmation email.
Can I see it?
I show him my phone. He looks at it. Types again.
I see the problem. The reservation was for yesterday.
Yesterday? I look at my email again. Oh no, he is right. I booked it for the wrong day.
When you arrive at a hotel, go to the front desk. They ask, checking in? Say, yes, I have a reservation.
They ask for your name. Sometimes they ask for ID or a credit card.
If there is a problem with your reservation, they might say, I do not see your reservation. Show them your confirmation email.
Confirmation email is the email the hotel sent you when you booked. It has your reservation number and dates. Always save this email. I am so sorry. Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Let me see. We are fully booked.
What? So no room? I have nowhere to sleep? It is 10 p.m. What am I supposed to do?
Let me check again. One moment.
He types. I wait. My heart is racing. This cannot be happening.
Wait, we have one room left. A single room. It is small.
I will take it. I will take anything.
That is £80 for tonight. Breakfast is included.
Included?
Yes, you do not pay extra. It is free.
Oh, okay. Great.
Can I see your credit card for incidentals?
Incidentals?
Yes, extra charges like room service or minibar. We just hold it. We do not charge unless you use something.
Oh, okay. Here.
Pay attention to this. Fully booked. No rooms. Nothing. This is bad. You can ask, are you sure? Or any room at all?
Included means it is part of the price. You do not pay extra. Breakfast is included means breakfast is free.
Incidentals are extra charges. Room service, minibar, movies. The hotel holds your credit card just in case.
Room 302, third floor. Elevator is on your left. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Checkout time?
Yes, you must leave the room by 11 a.m. If you need more time, you can ask for late checkout.
Okay, thank you. They give you a key card. That is the card you use to open your door. Listen to your room number carefully. Room 302 means third floor, room 2.
Checkout time is when you must leave your room, usually 11 a.m. or 12 noon. If you need more time, ask for late checkout. Sometimes they charge extra.
I take the elevator to the third floor. I find room 302. I put the key card in the door. Nothing happens. I try again. Still nothing. The door will not open. What? I look at the card. Which way does it go? I try it the other way. Still nothing. I go back downstairs. Excuse me, my key card does not work.
Oh, I am sorry. Let me reprogram it.
He takes the card, does something with his computer, gives it back.
Try now. Make sure the green light is on top when you insert it.
Green light on top. Okay, thank you.
You will hear this a lot. If your key card does not work, go back to the front desk. Say, "My key card does not work." They will fix it.
Sometimes the card is upside down. Look for the green light or arrow. That side goes up. I go back upstairs. This time it works. I open the door. The room is tiny, really tiny. There is a bed, a small desk, a bathroom, a TV on the wall. That is it. But I am too tired to care. I put my bag down. I look for the light switch. I finally find it near the door. I turn on the light. I check the room. I open the closet. There are hangers. Good. I go to the bathroom. No towels. What? I call the front desk. Hello, this is room 302. There are no towels in my room.
Oh, I am sorry. I will send someone up right away.
Thank you.
If something is missing in your room, call the front desk. There are no towels, or the TV does not work, or the AC does not work.
AC means air conditioning, the thing that makes the room cold. You can also say heating if the room is too cold and you need it warmer. 10 minutes later, someone knocks. I open the door. A woman hands me 2 towels.
Here you go. Sorry about that. Is there anything else you need?
No, this is good. Thank you. I take a shower. The water is hot. Good. I dry off. I get into bed. I am about to sleep when I hear a noise, a loud noise, from the room next door. Someone is watching TV, very loud. I try to ignore it, but it is too loud. I cannot sleep like this. I look at the clock, 11 p.m. I call the front desk again. Hello, this is room 302. The room next door is very loud. I cannot sleep.
I am sorry about that. I will call them right now and ask them to turn it down.
Thank you. 5 minutes later, it is quiet. Finally, I go to sleep.
If your room is too loud, call the front desk. The room next door is very loud. They will help.
The next morning, I wake up at 8. I go downstairs for breakfast. The breakfast room is crowded. I look around. I get a plate. I take some toast, scrambled eggs, and bacon. I pour coffee. I sit down at a small table. The coffee is good. I eat. I check my phone. Then I go back to my room. I pack my bag. I check the room one more time. Did I forget anything? No. I go to the front desk. I am checking out.
Room 302?
Yes.
Let me print your receipt. One moment. Did you use the minibar or order room service?
No, nothing.
Okay, here is your receipt. How was your stay?
It was okay.
Great. Have a nice day.
I leave. And I learned something. Always check your reservation dates before you travel.
This one is really useful. When you leave, you check out. Go to the front desk and say, I am checking out.
They might ask for your room number. They will print a receipt. That is the paper that shows what you paid.
Always keep your receipt. Sometimes you need it for work or taxes.
They might also ask, did you use the minibar or room service? If not, say no, nothing. Okay, let us practice the key phrases together.
You arrive at the hotel. What do you say?
I have a reservation.
There is a problem with your reservation. What do you do?
Show them your confirmation email.
The hotel is fully booked. What can you ask?
Are you sure, or any room at all?
They ask for your credit card for incidentals. What does that mean?
Extra charges, room service, or minibar?
They tell you the checkout time. What does that mean?
The time you must leave your room. Usually 11 a.m.
Your key card does not work. How do you tell them?
My key card does not work.
Something is missing in your room. What is the problem?
There are no towels or the TV does not work.
Your room is too loud. What do you tell the front desk?
The room next door is very loud.
You are leaving the hotel. What do you say?
I am checking out.
They ask if you used the minibar. What do you say if you did not?
No, nothing.
You need Wi-Fi. How do you ask?
Do you have Wi-Fi, or what is the Wi-Fi password?
You need to find the elevator. What is the question?
Where is the elevator?
You need extra towels. How do you ask for them?
Can I have extra towels?
Next episode, meeting people.
See you there.